What's the meaning of ballast? Ballast. Ballast.
Ballast. Ballast. Ballast refers to a heavy material used to stabilize or balance a ship, aircraft, or vehicle. The purpose of ballast is to maintain the stability and maneuverability of the vessel by preventing excessive rolling or pitching. In ships, ballast is often seawater pumped into specially designed tanks located in the lower parts of the hull. In aircraft, ballast may be added to adjust the center of gravity or to simulate the weight of passengers during testing. Additionally, ballast can also refer to any material used to add weight or stability, such as sandbags used to anchor outdoor equipment or to control erosion.